If you want to create a Calendly meeting invitation quickly and professionally, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from setup to sharing your link. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean meeting invitation, set your availability, and send a scheduling link that makes it easy for people to book time with you. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Create button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click that and then choose Event Type. Calendly gives you a few options depending on how you want people to meet with you. The most common choices are one-on-one and group. If you're meeting with one person at a time, one-on-one is usually the best choice. If you're organizing a session for multiple people, then group may be the better option. Next, you'll want to give your event a clear and professional name. This is the title your invitees will see, so keep it simple and easy to understand. For example, you could name it something like 30-minute intro call, discovery meeting, project review, or client check-in. A good event name helps people immediately know what the meeting is about. After that, choose your location. This tells Calendly how the meeting will happen. You can select options like Google Meet, Zoom, phone call, or in person, depending on your setup. If you're meeting online, make sure the video platform is connected properly so the invitation includes the right meeting details. If it's a phone call, be clear about who is calling whom. And if it's in person, make sure the location is specific enough so your guest won't be confused. Now move to the description section. This is where you can write a short welcome message or meeting instructions in English. Keep it clear and helpful. You might include what the meeting is for, anything the guests should prepare, or what they can expect during the call. A simple description can make your invitation feel more polished and organized. For example, you could write that this meeting is to discuss project goals, review next steps, or answer questions. Once that's done, the most important part is setting your availability. Calendly lets you define the days and times when people can book with you. This is where you control your schedule so people only see the times you want to offer. You can choose specific days, adjust your working hours, and set booking windows that fit your routine. One of the best features is that Calendly automatically adjusts the times to your invitee's local time zone, which makes scheduling much easier for everyone. Take a moment to review everything carefully before saving. Check the event name, location, description, and availability to make sure they all look right. When everything is ready, click Save and Close or Save Changes, depending on what you see on your screen. That will publish your meeting invitation inside Calendly. Now comes the final step, sharing the invitation link. Go back to your main scheduling page and find the event you just created. Then click Copy Link. This gives you a shareable scheduling link that you can send to anyone you want to invite. You can paste that link into an email, a message, or even your website bio if you want people to book directly with you. If you're sending it in email, write a short professional message around the link so it feels personal and clear. Let the person know why you're reaching out, what the meeting is for, and that they can choose a time that works best for them. A well-written email makes the invitation feel more thoughtful and increases the chance that people will book. And that's it. You've created a Calendly meeting invitation and shared your scheduling link. It's a simple process, but once you know the steps, it can save you a huge amount of time and make scheduling much smoother. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.